Do you struggle to sleep because of restless legs or constant bathroom trips? Do those nightly aches keep you turning in bed instead of resting? After 60, even small discomforts can easily rob you of deep rest. But there is good news. The simple banana you see on your counter may hold more power than you think. On its own, it won't always help. Yet when paired with the right foods, it can become a natural remedy that calms your body, steadies your nerves, and supports deeper, more restorative sleep. In this video, you will discover 7 banana-based recipes created to target the most common reasons older adults lose sleep, whether it is restless legs, poor digestion, blood sugar swings, inflammation, or nighttime pain. Each method is simple, safe, and senior-friendly, designed to help you wake up refreshed and ready for the day. Important note, bananas are healthy for most people, but not for everyone. If you have kidney problems, diabetes, or take medications like beta blockers, be cautious because of their potassium and sugar. Always check with your doctor before changing your diet. Number 7, the Calm Legs Smoothie, your nutrient boost for restless nights. This recipe is a lifesaver for anyone who experiences that incredibly frustrating crawling, tingling, or urgent need to move their legs right when they're trying to fall asleep. This feeling, often associated with restless leg syndrome, can be linked to a lack of specific minerals that are crucial for proper nerve and muscle function. This smoothie is designed to deliver a potent dose of these exact nutrients to help your legs finally settle down. The power of this smoothie comes from its targeted combination of ingredients. We start with our trusty banana, which provides a solid foundation of magnesium and potassium. These 2 minerals are famous for their ability to ease muscle tension and prevent cramps, which is a great first step. Next, we add a generous handful of fresh spinach. Don't worry, you won't taste it. Spinach is a true powerhouse as it's rich in iron. Healthy iron levels are essential for supporting the nervous system, and a deficiency is often a key factor in restless legs. Spinach also adds an extra boost of magnesium and folate, another nutrient that contributes to nerve health. Finally, we include a tablespoon of creamy avocado. It not only makes the smoothie wonderfully smooth, but also provides more potassium and healthy fats. These fats help your body absorb all the nutrients more effectively and provide sustained, stable energy, preventing any dips that might disrupt your system during the night. Together, these ingredients work as a team to give your nerves and muscles exactly what they need to relax and stay calm. Here is the simple recipe. In a blender, combine half a banana, frozen is great for a thicker texture, 1 large handful of fresh baby spinach, a quarter of a ripe avocado, and about 6 to 8 ounces of unsweetened almond milk or water. Blend until completely smooth. If you'd like a little extra flavor, a squeeze of lemon juice or a few mint leaves can be a refreshing addition. Drink this smoothie about 90 minutes before bedtime to give your body ample time to absorb these leg-calming nutrients. Number 6, Peaceful Mind Banana Oatmeal, your warm embrace for an anxious mind. This recipe is for those nights when your body is exhausted, but your mind is running a marathon of worries, to-do lists, and stressful thoughts. Nighttime anxiety can make it feel impossible to switch off. This warm and comforting bowl of oatmeal is like a gentle lullaby for your nervous system, designed to quiet the mental chatter and help you feel safe and ready for sleep. The magic here lies in creating a feeling of soothing comfort, both physically and chemically. The base is rolled oats, a fantastic complex carbohydrate. When you eat them, they encourage your brain to produce serotonin, the feel-good chemical that promotes a sense of well-being and calm. At night, this serotonin is then used to create melatonin, your sleep hormone. The slow digestion of oats also keeps your blood sugar stable, which is crucial for preventing anxiety-related awakenings. We then mash in half a banana. This not only adds natural sweetness, but also infuses the oatmeal with magnesium and potassium. Think of magnesium as a brake pedal for a racing mind. It helps calm your entire nervous system. For an extra touch of tranquility, we add a pinch of nutmeg. This warm spice has been used for centuries for its mild sedative properties and its ability to promote relaxation. The act of eating a warm, soft bowl of food is also psychologically comforting. It's a form of mindfulness that forces you to slow down and focus on the nourishing ritual, signaling to your brain that it's time to wind down from the day's stresses. Here is how to make it. In a small saucepan, combine 1/3 cup of rolled oats with 2/3 cup of water or your favorite milk. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the oatmeal is cooked, turn off the heat and stir in half a ripe banana, mashed well with a fork, and a small pinch of ground nutmeg. Pour it into a bowl and enjoy it while it's comfortably warm, about an hour before you go to bed. This gives your body time to start producing those calming brain chemicals, easing you gently into a peaceful night's sleep. Number 5, banana and tart cherry smoothie, your natural time to sleep signal. This recipe is specially designed for those nights when your body feels tired, but your brain just refuses to switch off. It's a common problem where you can't seem to get the message to your mind that it's time to rest. This smoothie acts as a direct boost to that time to sleep signal your body is waiting for. The star of the show here, alongside our banana, is the tart cherry. Tart cherries are one of the very few foods that naturally contain melatonin, which is your body's main sleep hormone. When you drink this smoothie, you're giving your body a direct supply of the very thing it needs to power down for the night. This is especially helpful because as we get older, our bodies sometimes become less efficient at producing their own melatonin. The banana plays a crucial supporting role. Think of it as the helper that makes the star ingredient even more effective. Bananas are packed with vitamin B6, a nutrient that helps your body's own natural sleep hormone production work better. So, while the cherries provide the sleep hormone directly, the banana helps your body make its own supply. On top of that, you still get that wonderful dose of magnesium to calm your nervous system and potassium to help your muscles fully relax. It's a complete approach to falling asleep more easily. This combination works so well because it helps you from 2 different angles at the same time. It gives you an external source of the sleep hormone while also helping your body's own internal sleep and relaxation systems work at their best. This can help you get back into a more regular and reliable sleep schedule. The benefits of tart cherries for sleep are well documented. In one major university study, adults with insomnia who drank tart cherry juice twice a day slept for an average of 84 minutes longer each night compared to those who didn't. Other research has shown that tart cherries don't just help you sleep longer, but they also improve the overall quality of your rest. Here is how you can make this simple and delicious sleep-promoting smoothie. In a blender, combine half of a frozen banana. Using a frozen banana gives the smoothie a wonderful creamy texture like ice cream, and half a cup of frozen tart cherries, which you can usually find in your grocery store's freezer aisle. Add about 4 to 6 ounces of a liquid, like unsweetened almond milk or just a bit of water. Blend until it's completely smooth. Drink this smoothie about 90 minutes before bed. This timing is perfect because it gives the melatonin from the cherries time to be absorbed and start sending those gentle sleep signals to your brain. Number 4, warm banana and cinnamon milk, your comforting pre-sleep hug. While our last recipe was a direct signal for sleep, this one is designed for those nights when you just can't seem to settle down. Maybe you feel a little restless, a bit anxious, or just have a chill that makes it hard to get cozy. This isn't just a snack. It's a warm, soothing ritual that tells your body and mind that the day is done and it's time to unwind. The magic in this drink comes from the way its ingredients work together, especially with the gentle warmth. For generations, a glass of warm milk has been a go-to remedy for sleeplessness, and it turns out there's good reason for it. Milk contains a natural substance that your body uses as a building block to create serotonin, a chemical that helps you feel calm and content. At night, your brain converts that serotonin into your sleep hormone, melatonin. Milk also provides calcium, which is essential for your brain to use those building blocks effectively. They're a perfect team. Now we add the banana. Mashing half a banana into the warm milk gives the drink a dose of magnesium and potassium. The magnesium works to directly calm your nervous system, while the potassium helps your muscles release tension. This creates a wonderful 2-part effect. Your brain gets the ingredients it needs for sleep, while your body gets the signal to physically relax. The final game-changing ingredient is cinnamon. This powerful spice is famous for its ability to help keep your blood sugar levels stable. A small amount can prevent any sugar-related energy spikes or crashes that might otherwise wake you up later in the night. Beyond that, the aroma of warm cinnamon is incredibly comforting. For many people, it brings up feelings of warmth, safety, and happy memories, which naturally helps reduce stress. Here is the simple recipe. In a small pot, pour about 6 ounces of your favorite milk. Whole milk, unsweetened almond milk, or oat milk all work beautifully. Add half of a ripe banana, mashed well with a fork, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Gently warm the mixture over low heat, stirring until it's all combined. Be careful not to let it boil, as you just want it to be pleasantly warm. Pour it into your favorite mug and sip it slowly about an hour before you plan to go to sleep. The simple act of sipping a warm drink is a calming ritual that forces you to slow down and be present, preparing you perfectly for a night of rest. Number 3. Banana on whole grain toast with almond butter, your steady nighttime fuel. This option is perfect for anyone who often wakes up in the middle of the night, either feeling a bit hungry or just for no clear reason at all. This is often a sign that your blood sugar has dipped too low during sleep, signaling your body to wake up. This snack is designed to prevent that by providing a long, slow, and steady release of energy all night long. The secret is how the 3 ingredients work together. First, the banana gives you that initial dose of sleep-friendly minerals. Think of magnesium as your body's main relaxation tool. It helps to quiet a busy mind. The potassium works alongside it to help your muscles relax, easing away physical tension and making you less likely to get nighttime leg cramps. Next, we add a tablespoon of almond butter. This is the key to keeping you asleep. Almond butter is full of healthy fats and protein, which your body digests much more slowly than the sugars in the banana. This prevents a sharp spike and the inevitable crash in your blood sugar. Instead, you get a gentle, sustained source of energy that keeps your body stable and peaceful all night. Plus, almonds provide an extra boost of magnesium. Finally, the base for this snack is a slice of 100% whole grain toast. This isn't the same as white bread, which can cause the very sugar spike you're trying to avoid. Real whole grain bread is a complex carbohydrate full of fiber. This fiber, much like the almond butter, slows everything down even more. This slow breakdown also helps your brain release serotonin, the chemical that makes you feel good, and is later used to create your body's master sleep hormone, melatonin. This isn't just a guess. Research has shown that a small balanced snack containing a mix of complex carbs, healthy fats, and protein eaten before bed helps people stay asleep with fewer interruptions compared to a snack with only carbs. Here is exactly how to make it. Take 1 slice of real 100% whole grain bread and toast it lightly. Let it cool for a minute. Spread 1 level tablespoon of natural, unsweetened almond butter over the toast. Slice half of a small to medium banana and arrange the slices on top. For an extra touch of flavor and benefit, you can sprinkle a tiny pinch of cinnamon on top. Eat this snack about 60 to 90 minutes before you plan to go to sleep. This gives your body time to start digestion and turn these wonderful nutrients into sleep-inducing chemicals. Number 2, a dessert to relax your mind and body. This recipe is a true lifesaver if you struggle with 2 things at bedtime: a mind that won't stop racing and a body that feels achy and restless. We're going to make a delicious dessert that feels just like eating ice cream, but it's actually packed with healthy things to help you sleep. It's designed to help you relax completely in both body and mind. The base of our dessert is simple, just a frozen banana. When you blend it, it turns into a soft, creamy ice cream. Bananas are full of good things that help calm your nerves and relax your muscles. But the real magic comes from the toppings we add. Walnuts. These nuts help you sleep in a couple of ways. First, they have a little bit of the sleep hormone, melatonin, already in them. Second, they can help soothe the aches and pains in your body that can keep you awake at night. Pumpkin seeds. These are packed with magnesium, which is a key mineral for relaxation. They also contain a special substance that your body uses to make its own sleep hormone, so you're giving your body the tools it needs to get ready for rest. To put it simply, the walnuts give you some sleep hormone directly, while the pumpkin seeds help your body make its own. Together, they work perfectly to calm you down for a good night's sleep. Doctors agree that these foods can really improve sleep, especially for older adults. How to make it? It's very simple. Take one ripe banana, peel it, slice it into chunks, and put it in the freezer for a few hours. Put the frozen banana chunks into a blender. Start blending. At first, it will look like crumbs, but be patient. After a minute, it will turn into a smooth, creamy ice cream. Scoop the ice cream into a bowl. Top it with 1 tablespoon of crushed walnuts and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin seeds. Enjoy this dessert about an hour to 90 minutes before you plan to go to sleep. It's a wonderful way to have a sweet treat in the evening without any unhealthy processed sugar. Number 1. The best banana dessert, warm baked banana with ginger and turmeric. We've reached number 1. This is more than a sweet treat. It's a simple way to calm the body, ease pain, and help you sleep better. Many people over 60 wake up at night because their back is stiff, their shoulders ache, or their hips hurt. This recipe is made for that problem. It starts with something you already know well, a banana. You bake it right in the peel. Baking makes the banana sweeter, no sugar needed, and also much easier to digest. That means your stomach can rest at night, while you still get the good minerals like magnesium and potassium that support sleep. Then we add 2 special helpers, turmeric and ginger. Both are natural anti-inflammatory spices. That means they help calm swelling and soreness in the body. Turmeric has a strong compound that can lower joint pain. Ginger not only eases pain, but also helps digestion, so your stomach feels settled. Here's the secret. Add just a tiny pinch of black pepper. It helps your body absorb the turmeric much better. Without it, most of the turmeric just passes through. With it, the body can really use the power of the spice. This simple dessert does 2 things at once. It helps you fall asleep more easily and helps your body feel less sore during the night. That way, you wake up with more energy and less pain. Here is the simple therapeutic recipe. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, about 175 degrees Celsius. Take 1 ripe banana and place it on a small baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving the peel on. Use a knife to make a slice down the length of the banana, through the peel, but not all the way through to the bottom. In a tiny bowl, mix a 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and a very small pinch of finely ground black pepper. Sprinkle this spice mixture into the slit you made in the banana. Place it in the oven and bake for 10 to 15 minutes until the peel is dark and the banana inside is soft and fragrant. Let it cool for a few minutes until it's comfortably warm, then scoop the delicious spiced banana out of the peel with a spoon. Savor this dessert about 60 minutes before bed. If you've made it all the way to the end, it shows you're truly committed to your well-being. From the bottom of my heart, I wish you a deep, healing sleep tonight and a wonderfully energized morning tomorrow. You absolutely deserve it. If you found these tips helpful, please support the channel by giving this video a like and subscribing for more helpful recipes. Thank you for being here. Many seniors have been already benefited from this video. Click to see what you've been missing.